guys and girls, I'm pleased to bring you Taylor by Estetica Designs. Taylor is a very long, in fact 21-inch long, wig, part of the High Society collection. Now Taylor is very long and flowing. The synthetic fibers are very silky to the touch. This is a wig with a very natural density and flattering layers throughout. The cut is angled at the face so that it frames the face in feminine fringe. The bangs are very well done and can be positioned either straight down or swept off to either side. Well, let's take a closer look at this very pretty long style. Taylor's cap has this polyurethane lining at the front, which provides a secure, slip-free fit. And if you have little to no hair, you can also apply adhesive along the strip for extra security. The sheer 100% hand-tied monofilament top gives you the appearance of natural growth from the scalp and unlimited parting options. At the back of the monofilament top, this section of fabric conceals a small amount of permatease, which gives a slight bump at the back or crown of the wig and also helps to hide any wefts. At the crown of the wig, you can see the permatease as short, wiry, light brown or blondish synthetic strands. That is not a defect. That is the permatease. On either side are open ear tabs, which are bendable for a custom fit at the temples and to help hide your biological hair. A lot of people that wear eyeglasses and sunglasses also like the more sleek open ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted, allowing air circulation and scalp coolness. The cap does have a little bit of stretch. On either side of the nape are these hook adjustable straps, which allow you to adjust the wig cap circumference up to ½ inch. Well, here is Taylor. This is a very youthful, very long, layered style that flatters the face, and I believe it would flatter most face shapes. This is an average cap size. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, which is exactly my head size. Now it does fit me a little snug right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. And for that reason, I do not think it would be a good fit for someone with a slightly larger than average head size. The fiber is very dry. It feels silky to the touch, and it has the look and texture of human hair. Now, I tend to like drier synthetic fibers. Taylor does not have a lace front. You have bangs, so this is what the hairline looks like if you pulled the bangs away from the face. What I do like about the front is that it has the polyurethane strip, so if you have extreme thinning hair or no hair, you could put adhesive along that strip to help secure the wig. The monofilament top allows you to part left, center, or right, and I really like the look of the parting space. I read on some online reviews that some wearers experienced wefts showing at the top of the cap or at the crown. I did not find that to be the case. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Now I think Taylor has beautiful natural movement. And this wig being 21 inches long, as you can see, comes down to The mid-back, I'm 5'7". Right side. The measurements. The bangs measure 4.75 inches long. The sides are 11.5 inches long. The crown is 11.5 inches long, and the nape is 16 inches long. Taylor weighs 5 ounces, which I was very surprised because it lays quite flat on the top and it has a very natural looking density, but don't be fooled, there is plenty of hair. I am wearing Taylor in the beautiful color R12 26 CHM. This is a light brown with chunky gold blonde highlights throughout. And I like that the blonde highlights are here in the bangs so that it brightens the face. It's a snowy day here at my house today, but let's go outside and take a look at this color in natural light. While I like to wear Taylor's bangs straight down, you do have some options as far as positioning. I like that the bangs are very wispy and you can kind of sweep them off to one side. Here they are swept off to the left. Or you can sweep them over to the right. Creates just a very different look. Now, because you have the monofilament top, you can part left, center, or right. Here I have it parted in the center. Let's part it to the left. Now, this is not a heat-friendly fiber wig. However, if you have a little problem like this where it kind of bumps up when you try to part it, you can take a hot washcloth and hold it down, press firmly and hold for a couple of minutes, and it will help train the fiber in the direction that you want. Quick little tip for you there. So here's what it looks like parted to the left. Now let's part it to the right. I really like it parted to the right. Ooh, very pretty. And see, that parting space really looks nice. You can pull the length back, give it a twist, use a claw clip, and have an instant updo. Taylor also looks really great in a low ponytail. And of course, if your hair color matches the color of your Taylor wig, you could wear her in a high ponytail as well, with your own hair hanging out at the bottom. But here she is in a low ponytail. If you're interested in purchasing Taylor, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry Taylor in all of the beautiful Estetica design colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. If you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below. If you wear Taylor, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Please subscribe. Hey, it's free, and you'll receive alerts every time I post a video about a wig review, a wig color comparison, advice, and much, much more. Well, take care. Bye-bye.